Happy spring, and welcome back to Thankful Thriftiness. Spring is an exciting time of new life and growth. However, there's a little damp around all the happiness, and it's called spring cleaning. I mean, don't get me wrong, spring cleaning can help you feel very accomplished, and happy overall, but I don't really want to use harsh chemicals to do my tidying up and deep cleans because I got a little munchkin and I really don't want to expose her to those things. However, if you look at the market, the price of organic, healthy stuff is through the roof ridiculous. But I'm going to let you in on a little secret. It's really easy to make your own with only a few simple ingredients. Today I'm going to share with you 3 simple, inexpensive, and healthy cleaners that you can use over a wide variety of jobs. Here are the basic ingredients you're going to need to make all 3 of these cleaners. Vinegar. Simple white distilled vinegar, super cheap, you can find it in the grocery store. Good old-fashioned H2O, you don't have to use anything fancy, I just used filtered water out of our Berkey. Rubbing alcohol, which is also pretty cheap, and essential oils. I know they're not the cheapest, but if you already have them in your house, it's really inexpensive to make these cleaners. If you don't have any, maybe consider at least getting a couple. They could be very helpful for especially disinfecting things and making your cleaners smell good. And grapefruit seed extract. I don't have any on me today. My mom's bringing it later this week, and I'm gonna put it in the disinfecting spray. But that's a whole other thing. Let's start with all-purpose cleaner. I literally just ran out of this stuff. I used Mrs. Meyer's spray. That's what I got from my bridal shower, and that's what my mom used for most of my life. And I really do enjoy using those fragrances and knowing that it's more of a natural product. But let's be honest, on our current budget, that's not gonna happen, which is actually really great because it forces me to learn how to make my own. So from Walmart, I purchased a spray bottle for under $2. I just removed the sticker because it looks more aesthetic. Into the spray bottle, I poured half a cup of vinegar and 1.5 cups of water. Basically, it's a 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water ratio. To mask the scent of the vinegar, I put about 10 drops of lavender essential oil. You can mess around with the ratios and measurements with this. I think I might dilute the vinegar more next time because this isn't supposed to be a very harsh cleaner. And it kind of smells vinegary, but the lavender does a lot in getting rid of that smell. And the vinegar smell evaporates pretty quickly. Then I shook it up and I have all-purpose cleaner. I especially like to use this when cleaning my counters and tabletops, and pretty much any other surface. Next, I made glass cleaner. This is something my mom has made for pretty much my entire life, and it couldn't be simpler. To my spray bottle, I added 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup of vinegar, and 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol. I shook up the bottle and it was ready to go. This glass cleaner is super helpful for removing spots from your windows and mirrors. I really haven't run into a glass mess that couldn't be fixed with the cleaner. Although as you could probably see, it's about time to wash the outside of my windows, not just the inside. Finally, I made disinfecting spray. This is something that my family has used for a long time. We're very much sticklers about using disinfecting spray after having raw meat on counters and in containers. It's super important to protect yourselves from the bacteria and sicknesses that can come with coming into contact with raw meat. We also use it if we come into contact with mold in our house. You can use your own discretion at that one. I would prefer to use that instead of bleach. So bleach is the last resort. So to make my disinfecting spray, all I did was add these few ingredients to the bottle. 1/2 cup of water, 3/4 cup of vinegar, and then 20 drops of thieves oil. Once I see my mom later this week, I'm also going to add 20 drops of lemon oil and 20 drops of grapefruit seed extract. That's the really powerful stuff. That combined with the thieves are the 2 elements that really make this a disinfecting spray. And that's it, y'all. It took me literally half an hour to pull together these 3 cleaners, and they will last me for at least half the year. These are a great bridal shower gift idea. I actually still have the ones my mom made me for my bridal shower. That was, I think, the one thing I requested from her because I was so used to using them. And like I said, they're natural, they're not gonna hurt your family, and they're gonna get the job done. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Let me know in the comments below how your spring cleaning is going. And if you haven't started it yet, that's okay. I literally just started yesterday. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I gotta get this little munchkin into bed, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye.